Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Two more TNs I would like to share with you. Do you guys remember that paper stack called Uptown Chic? Well, yeah, I purchased several of those stacks and they were in storage. I finally got them out and I have been creating TNs with it. Isn't this too super cute? I just absolutely love it. This flower paperclip was created from stickers that I had in my stash. These bow paper clips were created from leftover scraps, and I actually won these or got these flower centers from, I can't remember, but I think it was one of the craft channels that I'm affiliated with, Creating a Crafty Life. I think that's what it is. And I think that's where I got these from. And they match perfectly to me. So let me just show you inside real quick. I made this pocket here, you know, the length of the book itself. For me, this is too hard, so I probably won't do it in any more of the TNs unless I'm feeling some type of way. I actually had to cut a dip in it here, but you won't be able to see because I kind of messed up like right here on the tip, so I just cut it out and made it a dip. So that's there. And this is mine anyway, so. And I made this mix here with some of my new sequins that I got from Cartwright. And I just love it. It actually looks more like a mermaid mix than with this paper, but I love it anyway. This is the mini dashboard on this side. This is the first signature, which is ruled with these cute little puppy dogs, and the matching bow clip. And this is the other half of that sheet, which has a full dashboard here with this removable paper, and this paper is from the collection as well. Let me see, it just comes out. This is the folder that I created, and it has a paper clip that matches the collection. Actually, it came with a little set. Do I have it up here anywhere? I don't see it. It came with a little set that from Recollections that matched. It had, I think, washi tape samples and other stuff like that in there, which is actually where these little pieces these right here, that's where these come from. But this is the folder itself. This is the third signature, which is ruled again, and another paper clip another paper clip, bow paper clip that I created from paper scraps. This is the page marker that I have to put the pocket on. I just love this front. If I had to use it on the cover, it would have been on the back as opposed to the front. So that's why I turned it into a page marker. And I'm still contemplating making pin loops when I get my punch. This is the third and final signature with a paper clip bow or bow paper clip that I made from scraps. And here is the second pocket for the that's on the cover. And like I say, I just love this paper stack. One of my absolute favorites that Craftsmith has come out in a while. I think the first one that I fell in love with was Blush Glam. That was an awesome stack, or is an awesome stack. I think that one is still available. That one may be, what's the word, permanent. So yeah, I just love this paper. I can't get over it. I love it, love it, love this paper. And I'm gonna put this gold pen with this one. And this one isn't finished at all. I have just done the cover. I put this dangle on it, and that's really it. The books in here are just regular composition books that I have not covered yet. This is the folder that I have done for it, but that's about it. And later on, sometime this week, I am going to actually kind of finish this off. Like this right here needs to be cut and the ends need to be burned or whatever. But this right here, oh my God, I don't know which cover is my favorite. I don't know if it's this one or if it's this one. My daughter likes this one. Which one do you like the best? Let me move this pen. Which cover do you like the best? The words or the shapes? I can't make up my mind. I love them both. Oh, and the dangle on this one is this little notebook here. And it's actually a functional notebook. You can open it up. It has sheets, pages that you can turn and write on if you need to. So it's a double whammy. It's cute and functional. So that's my project share for right now. When I get them finished, I will come back and show them to you, or show this one to you at least, because I actually have another one planned. Well, several more planned. We're using, what's the name of this other paper pad? Glam, something Glam. Get Glam. I'm gonna make a couple from the Get Glam paper stack from Michaels. It's a Recollections brand. Alright guys, that's it for my really quick project share. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.